Bro, that's hot sauce. What are you doing? Are you fucking serious? Are you serious?
Dogs honestly bring pure comedy into everyday life.
A ver, ¿qué tal esos dientes de porcelana? ¡Ay!
Soy piraña. Están en...
That's way too much drama over absolutely nothing at all.
Cody. 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 Chicken nugget. Oh. Look at you.
Cats are absolute pros at failing, but making it look stylish.
О, Jezu. Przepraszam.
Oh no, you can already tell this cat is about to cause chaos.
You're good.
Yo guys, this is how you know my dog hates the vet. Ready? Hello? Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take her now. Alright, let me take her right. Come on, let's go to the vet, Sam. Okay, she's gonna get shots?
This is Coco. Coco, say hi, everyone.
Dogs are basically just furry stand-up comedians, I'm convinced.
Bark at your dogs.
Roof!
Get back! Do not come in.
Go, new carpet. Go see, go on. Go on. I did this for you so you don't slip. Go on. Really?
That's such a classic dog move. I've seen it 1,000 times, but it never gets old. How could anyone stay mad when the face looks like that? Look at this dramatic little furball. It's like he's acting in a movie.
Don't do it. So, oh my God, you're crazy.
No.
Oakley, hey. What are you doing?
Oh, thank you.
He's ready.
Look at this.
He tries to act so graceful, but moments later he's a mess.
I think I like this little life.
Don't buy suction cup toys for your dog.
You silly dog. You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Come on.